How to make a gnat trap with a soda bottle. Gnats are small insects that can become a big problem if not properly dealt with. Gnats are known to appear during the warm months of late spring and summer and often find their way indoors through open doors and holes in window screens. Getting rid of gnats once they get inside can be a difficult and daunting task. Knowing how to make your own soda bottle gnat trap will free you from the headache that is a house full of buzzing black gnats. Things you'll need: knife/scissors, sugar, vinegar, tape. Step 1. Cut off the top of your plastic soda bottle. Ideally, your cut should be 2 to 3 inches below the top of the bottle. Step 2. Pour 1/2 cup vinegar, 1/2 cup sugar, and water into the soda bottle and stir. Ideally, the mixture will fill up half of the bottle. If the mixture fills up more than half of the bottle, or if it comes to the brim, then the trap will not work. Step 3. Place the top of the soda bottle upside down into the bottle. The bottle top should be placed so that the cap is close to the mixture. Tape the two pieces of bottle together. Step 4. Place the trap in areas of high gnat activity. The gnats will be attracted by the smell of the mixture and will be able to find their way in, but not out.